Hey YouTube family, I know it's been so long since you guys have seen my face. I'm back and I'm back and I'm back. And y'all, today I'm doing a video that I have not done as yet. But before I even get into that, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Your girl is about to tap in real soon. We're almost at 1K subs. Get me to 1K subs and I'll be posting more pranks for you guys. But today your girl is going to be pranking her son. So my son is coming over today and he's going to be spending the night with me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically have my speakers, you can see in the background right there. I'm going to, you know, tell him that I'm about to use the bathroom or something. And then I'm going to put something on the speaker. I will put something scary on the speaker and see his reaction. So stay tuned, y'all. And we're gonna get his reaction. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on post notifications so that you'll be notified each time that I drop a new video. And yeah, I'm so excited because I've been wanting to do pranks for so long, but I think I'm just gonna do pranks on my son and call it a day, because why not? But yeah, stay tuned, y'all. I'm about to shower and everything, and then once he gets here later on, I'll start the prank. Y'all, I look crazy, but Tyleek is here, y'all. He's in the kitchen. I'm about to set up the camera. He said he's cold and he wants to come in the room, so I'm about to have him come in the room, but it's prank time. Yeah, about to connect the phone to the speaker. Y'all, I'm just hoping he doesn't go over there because my other camera would not charge for anything, but it's prank time. I connected the audio to the speaker, so I'm about to tell him that he could come in here and then it's prank time.
Somebody come here!
What now, Ty?
It's keep doing that!
Keep doing what?
I hear it, this!
Come on, see, you messing up the place.
Sorry.
So you don't want to stay in here or something?
Wait for a minute.
You're bugging, Ty. That's why I know. That's why I know candy, cause you tripping, son.
I keep hearing it. It keeps going away every time you come in here. Stop.
Maybe it's your little friend.
Ooh. Marshall.
Maybe it's Marshall. Go.
Marshall has one
Ty,
ear.
you won't let me burn up the pot.
I'll go without
You wanna come with me? Why you don't wanna stay? Guys, so I am so upset because I did not get to catch most of his reaction. When I tell you, I was cracking up because his reaction was so funny, but the parts that were really, really funny, apparently my camera was not recording. I have the app on my phone, so I basically was trying to start the video from my phone and it never started. So I wish I really had started it from the camera because it was too funny, and now it's like, but it's okay. It's okay. I always say everything happens for a reason, and this just means that now I know what to do next time that I do a prank, and that is to not start the video from my phone. Yeah, I just have to let y'all know that. That's why the prank is a little short, which is fine, because for my first prank, I mean, for the first prank, I get to play around with it and understand and see what I want to do and see what I need to work on. So it's fine, but I'm just mad because the reaction was funny, and I'm mad y'all didn't see when I told him that it was a prank, but it's okay. Y'all.
Hi guys, this is Marshall.
Hold on, y'all. I don't know if y'all saw his reaction, but we got him. We got him. How you feeling?
I feel terrible.
Why do you feel terrible?
Because that was creeping me out.
What was creeping you out?
That music. How did it make that sound? Wait, how did it make that sound?
I was doing it from my phone. But anyways, y'all, I'm about to end this video out right now. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Wait, Ty, wait. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on post notifications so that you'll be notified each time that I drop a new video. I forgot what I was saying. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to turn on post notifications.
Yeah, and hit the like button.
Yeah, but
and
don't
hit the bell.
Yeah, and don't forget to turn on post notifications so that you'll be notified each time that I drop a new video. Let's close it out, Ty.
Yay!
Later, y'all.
See you later.
Bye.